The goal of this podcast is to explore whether leadership is an art or science. This question is widely raised in corporate training workshops, academic conferences, online discussions, and classrooms. The question is, does it make any difference whether it's an art or science? Answer is yes, it makes a difference. The understanding of leadership is art and science will help individuals in leadership position develop strategies for improving their leadership skills. What is art? Art is human skills, imagination, expression, communication, emotions, and more. What is science? Science is the process of understanding how an environment works through observation and experiments. In business, science is the understanding of social, physical, economic, technological, and political environment in leading. Art is a one-way street and science is a two-way street. Art is a one-way street because it involves individual skills and imagination and more. Science is a two-way street because it is a learning process through observation and experimentation. For every action of the leader, there is a reaction in the organization and in the market. It may be positive or negative. Several leadership theories exist in the leadership literature, and most of the theories focus on the art of leadership. An organization is not a theater, and leaders are not actors in the organization. Leaders lead to making a difference in business or in the world. Leadership that includes both art and science will lead to success in the marketplace. Emerging leadership theory that I introduced at the annual meeting of the Academy of Management in Boston in 2012 states that leadership is both art and science. The first step in emerging leadership is to build a foundation using the four pillars of the leadership. The four pillars are character, culture, communication, and charisma. The second step is to develop the emerging skills needed to lead an organization. The emerging leadership theory suggests that successful leaders learn, unlearn, and relearn based on their field experiment. The theory also states that leadership skills emerge as the result of continuous observation and experimentation. Constant observation and experimentation occurs because leaders lead, operate, and make decisions in uncertain and risky environment, both inside and outside of the organization. The role of leadership is to set a company's vision, inspire, influence, motivate, build culture, and formulate strategies to achieve company's goal. We are in the age of big data. Leadership continuously analyzes internal data to learn how to inspire, influence, motivate people with a multicultural background, changing demographics, and knowledge level. The leaders also analyze external data to determine whether their vision will lead the company in the right direction, their mission is achievable, and their strategy will help accomplish the company's goal. If leaders are making business decisions, they have to possess art and science skills. We are part of a global and knowledge-based economy and changing workforce and technology. Leaders have to continually observe and experiment to develop emerging leadership skills for successfully leading the company. Leadership skills are not reserved solely for the top management in the knowledge-based economy. In the knowledge-based economy, organizations are adapting a flat organizational structure, and leadership skills and knowledge are needed at all the organizational levels to be successful in the marketplace. If we believe that leadership is just an art, it means we are not preparing leaders for the challenges of the new global economy. Leadership training, workshops, or classroom teaching must include both the art and science of leadership. Consultants should use the art and science of leadership to prepare their clients. Researchers needed to develop leadership framework that includes art and science to make the leadership theory applicable in the today's business environment. The emerging leadership theory framework consists of both art and science. In summary, leadership is art and science. The first step in leadership is to build the foundation using the four pillars of leadership. The four pillars are character, culture, communication, and charisma. The second step is to develop emerging skills needed to lead an organization. Thanks for listening.